The empty house next door. Nobody lived next door. Everyone believed that. The house looked forgotten. Windows stayed dusty. The garden grew wild. The mailbox stayed empty. Every night felt strange. Emma noticed something unusual. A light appeared upstairs, then it disappeared. Emma blinked twice. The window became dark. Hmm, came through the silence. Someone sounded nearby. Emma looked outside carefully. Nobody walked outside. The street stayed empty. Only cold wind moved. The old house waited. Its door remained closed. Emma asked her neighbor. He looked surprised. "No family lives there." He smiled nervously. "Probably your imagination." Emma wasn't convinced. That night returned. The upstairs light returned. Emma watched quietly. A curtain slowly moved. Someone stood behind. Only a shadow appeared. Emma gasped. "Did you see me?" The shadow disappeared. Everything became silent. Emma grabbed binoculars. She looked closer. The window looked empty. No shadow remained. A soft whistle floated, echoed faintly. Emma listened carefully. The sound stopped suddenly. Her phone buzzed. Unknown number called. Emma answered slowly. Nobody spoke. Only breathing answered. Filled the call. The phone disconnected. Emma locked her door. She closed every curtain. Sleep never came. Morning finally arrived. Sunlight filled everything. The house looked normal. No lights remained. No shadows appeared. Emma felt relieved. Until evening arrived. Dark clouds gathered. Rain quietly started. Emma looked outside. The upstairs light returned, this time brighter. A piano played softly. Beautiful music floated. Mm-hmm, followed the melody. Emma frowned. Nobody owned that piano. Everyone knew that. She crossed the street. Rain soaked everything. The gate slowly opened. Nobody touched it. Emma hesitated. Echoed softly. She entered carefully. The garden felt cold. Old flowers covered pathways. The porch creaked loudly. The front door opened. Creak! Nobody welcomed her. Dust covered everything. Old furniture remained. Spider webs filled corners. The air smelled ancient. Emma whispered softly, "Hello?" No answer came. Footsteps echoed upstairs. Step, step, step. Emma looked upward. Nobody appeared. The footsteps stopped. Silence returned. Then laughter echoed. Sounded upstairs. Emma shivered. She climbed slowly. Every stair creaked. Her flashlight trembled. The hallway stretched endlessly. Every door stayed closed. One door suddenly opened. Emma stopped breathing. Escaped softly. The room looked empty. An old rocking chair moved. Back and forth, back and forth. Nobody pushed it. The piano stopped. Everything became silent. Emma noticed photographs. Families smiled happily. One picture surprised her. Emma recognized herself. She looked younger. She never visited. She looked confused. Impossible, Emma whispered. The picture disappeared. Only empty frames remained. Cold air surrounded Emma. A whisper arrived. Welcome home. Emma froze completely. She slowly turned. Nobody stood there. Only darkness waited. Then every door opened. Bang, bang, bang. Emma screamed loudly. Ah! Echoed everywhere. She ran downstairs. The front door waited. She rushed outside. Rain poured heavily. She looked back. The house looked empty. No lights glowed. No music played. No shadows moved. Emma smiled nervously. Maybe everything ended. The next morning arrived. Workers entered happily. They cleaned the house. Emma watched quietly. One worker frowned. He found fresh footprints. Upstairs, only one person's, leading inside, never outside. Emma whispered softly, I'm never returning. That night arrived. Emma closed every curtain. Then she heard music. Soft piano returned. From next door, the empty house waited. Someone still lived there.